Today I'm going to give you an inside look at our blogging metrics and income report for the month of August. I'll be covering all the key performance metrics for our social medias, YouTube channel, email list, and our new website. I'm also going to show you a full income report detailing exactly how we did on our first month with the new blog. What's up guys, it's Chris, and on our channel, Blogging Money Life, we teach creators like you how to leave your day job so you can live life on your own terms. If you're new to our channel, my wife and I have just launched our new blog earlier this month. We decided to do a metrics tracking and income report series with a 100% open book policy. We are showing all of our numbers in full transparency so that our subscribers can learn from what we're doing right and from what we're doing wrong. If this sounds good to you, let me know by hitting the subscribe button and I'll make sure to report back every month. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get started with our social media key performance indicators. At the top of our list is YouTube. So let's scroll over to August here. At the end of the month here, we have 258 subscribers. That's a gain of 41 subscribers this month. Lifetime views is just under 7,000. For the month, we had just over 1,300 views. Lifetime watch hours is at 400. For the month, we had just under 100 hours. Impressions is 16,600. Monthly click-through rate is 3.8%. Average view duration is 4 minutes. And the number of videos we put out this month is 4. The age of our channel is 6 months. So let's kind of just scroll back here a little bit and see how we progressed over the past 6 months or the past few months. We don't have to go all the way back, but well, it fits the screen, so let's check it out. So it looks like on average we're getting anywhere between 30 to 44 new subscribers a month. That's staying pretty consistent, but I guess over the past few months it has been going up. So there is some growth there. All right, lifetime views. Let's look at monthly views. It's showing some growth here. We had a record month in July, quite a bit of a jump there for views, and August is holding pretty strong compared to July. Watch hours. Yeah, watch hours are going up as well. If you notice here, I have goals for watch hours at lifetime and subscribers lifetime. And that's so we can monetize with YouTube. We need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 365 days. So that's why we're paying attention to that. We're consistently getting more impressions per month, which is good. Quite a big jump from June to July, and July to August has gone up but held pretty consistent. Our click-through rate has gone down from when we started our channel 6 months ago. That's an average click-through rate. I think we just had a huge click-through that first month when we launched. We're kind of just settling in around 3-4%, which I don't think is very bad. Maybe we need to improve our thumbnails a little bit to get that higher, but you know, I'm not upset with it. There's always room for improvement. Our average view duration is going up as well, so we're retaining our audience longer, which is good. I don't know, maybe our content, maybe we're just getting a little more polished, getting a little better at making videos. In August, we put out a couple videos that were a little bit longer, and I noticed on average, say we put out a 8-minute video, our average is about 4 minutes. If we put out a 15-minute video, that video average is about 7.5 minutes. So for us, the average is usually about half the length of the video. So if I want this number to go up, I think we create longer videos. And I told you number of videos per month, we did 4. We do one video per week. Every Wednesday we release a video, so 4 Wednesdays in the month of August, that's where we came up with 4 videos. And here's the age of our channel at 6 months. All right, let's move on to Instagram. Instagram is our biggest social media network besides YouTube, if YouTube is considered social media. I think it is. So let's go over here and look at it. In the month of August, we have 866 followers. That's a growth of 130 followers over the past month. That growth rate is at 17%. The accounts we've reached, 550, profile reach 578. Website clicks from Instagram is 25. So 25 people went to our website after viewing an Instagram post. Our content interactions, people who like something we post or comment on it, is at 323. Reach per post on average is 76. IG story, we did one IG story this month and it reached 91 people. Impressions, 3,688 are the potential eyes that Instagram is allowing our post to see for the month. Page views. Now this is all coming from our Instagram link in bio. Page views to our link in bio page is at 30. Button clicks from people who went to that page is at 9. Post clicks is at 11, and our click-through rate is 26%. 2/3 of the people who go to our link in bio do some type of action. They either click a button or click on a post. And the people who do that action, okay, no, that's just what it's saying here. 30%, 26%. 26% is the click-through rate of people who actually take an action after they view our link in bio page. So about a third, more like a quarter. All right, moving on. Facebook. We don't really concentrate a whole lot on Facebook. Our followers are at 43. Post reach is at just under 1,000. Post engagement 110, and 0 videos. So about 1/10 of the people who actually see our post react to it, 1 in every 10. And the reason our reach is so high compared to our followers is because we boosted a post for our blog launch to drive some traffic to our website. Pinterest, we're not really doing anything with that right now, but we'll get on Pinterest and Twitter and some of the other social medias as we grow. Let's head over to our email performance indicators. So our total email subscribers, our email list is at 20 for the month of August. That's a growth of 14 subscribers from July. We launched our blog in August, and I think that's where all these subscribers came from, 14 of them. We sent 14 emails out this month that had an open rate of 53%. Out of that 53%, the click-through rate was 33%. Here are the emails we sent out. Had to do with our advertising our webinar and our list of 150 free sponsored post opportunities. So what does this mean? We have 20 email list subscribers and we sent out 14 emails. So about half of those emails got open. So 7 emails were open. Out of those 7 emails, 1/3 of those people took an action. So roughly 2 people took an action from the 14 emails that we sent out. And the action is going to our website or getting drawn into one of our funnels through the sponsored post opportunity email that we sent out. Moving on, website traffic. Here we are for the month of August. We have been around for 18 days total. Within those 18 days, we have published 11 articles. So in those 18 days, our website has received a total of 800 page views, and those 800 page views have come from 136 users. There is 226 sessions, so that tells you some of these users are coming back. The average session duration is about 3 minutes, so when someone is on one of our pages or reading one of our articles, on average they're staying there for about 3 minutes, and their bounce rate is at 22%. Our traffic is coming from direct organic email, referral, social medias. All right, so direct traffic means people going up to the search bar and typing bloggingmoneylife.com and just going to our website directly. They know where they want to go, and that's where they're going. So organic traffic, people who found us through a Google search, that's at 20. Email traffic, so those email lists I was talking about. Our email lists have driven 20 people to our website. Referral traffic, these are backlinks from other websites referring us. We have 6. Those are probably coming from MissMillenniumMagazine.com. That's Jazz's other blog. Social traffic, 22 people came to our website from social media, and this is how it breaks down. 2 of those people came from the Instagram link in bio, and 11 of those people came from YouTube. All right, so how do those metrics turn into dollars? Well, I'll show you in the monetization tracker. We are in the month of August, so let me scroll over here to August. Okay, August income report. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways of bringing in income. We'll start with affiliate networks. We are not on any affiliate networks, so we're not bringing in any affiliate income. Advertising networks. The only advertising network we're on at the moment is Google AdSense, and all that traffic that we showed you has generated 2 cents of income for us. Sponsored post networks. We haven't done any sponsored posts. Partnerships. We don't have any partnerships. So once we start putting out more blog posts, generating more content, and growing our following, we'll start developing these alleys of income. As of now, we do have one alley of income that's producing, and that's our products. These products were already in existence before we launched our blog, just like our YouTube channel was. So they've already had some time to start going, build some momentum. So our first product is Blogging Money Formula. Blogging Money Formula is a course that Jazz put together to help bloggers grow their blog into a stream of income. And let's see, we have a total of 2 sales for that Blogging Money Formula course. One of those sales has come from a single time purchase, and that cost $350. We sold one, so a total income of $350 or $349, $350. Blogging Money Formula, we also offer in a payment program for payments of $99. We sold one of those. All right, let's see. Blogging Money Update. Blogging Money Update is an email subscription that we offer, and what it is, it's a list of sponsored post opportunities that get sent to your inbox 3 times a week, and they offer opportunities ranging anywhere from like $60 to $6,000. I think one time there was even a $10,000 opportunity on there. We charge $30 a month for this list of sponsored post opportunities, and through Blogging Money Life we made 2 sales on it this month at $30 a piece, so about $60 income there. We also offer a sponsored post pricing toolkit. We have 2 different versions, one for $30 and then one for $64. That comes with an email template. We made 2 of those sales this month for a total of $130. So our total product sales this month is at $235 or $236. But we also had expenses this month. Here's a list of our reoccurring expenses that will be showing up every month for the life of our blog. Morning Fame is a product that we use for YouTube. It helps us measure our YouTube analytics and helps us make our channel better. Epidemic Sound is where we get our music for our YouTube videos and any sound effects. Later is a Instagram management tool that we use. That's about $21 a month. SiteGround is our hosting provider. We pay about $5 a month for our hosting. Canva is a graphic design tool. We pay $10 a month for that. MailerLite is our email management tool. We use a free version. Grammarly is a content editing tool. We pay about $12 a month for that. StreamYard is a live video broadcasting tool. We pay $25 a month for that. That is what Jazz uses to broadcast her monthly Q&As on Facebook and on YouTube at the same time. So our total reoccurring expenses for the month of August and probably going forward is just under $100 a month. That means we have to bring in at least $100 a month to break even. But on top of those reoccurring expenses, we had some one-time expenses as well. So let's look at that. Most of these expenses have to do with starting up our blog. Restore 316 is our site theme. That's about $75 one-time purchase. Genius Framework is another site theme we use. That was a $100 one-time purchase. SiteGround is where we got our domain name. That was a $30 purchase, and we'll be paying that annually. SocialBee is a social media management tool. We have it forever for free, which is awesome because they are charging like $60 or $70 right now a month for it, and we get it for free. Filmora is the video editing software I use for our YouTube videos. That's cost us $80 one-time fee. To establish our LLC and our business and do all that paperwork, it ended up costing us $310 one-time fee. We won't have to do that again. We had some personnel expenses. Those are things like graphic designers and virtual assistants. We don't really use any virtual assistants right now for this blog. We did pay a graphic designer to help us with our logo, and that ended up costing us about 15 bucks. What does all this mean? Let's go down and look at our August profit and loss summary. So our total monthly gross for the month of August is $636. And you can see all that but 2 cents came from our product sales. Our total month expenses for the month of August is at about $705. We can expect 100 of those dollars to be waiting for us next month as a reoccurring expense. And we had almost $600 of one-time expenses that won't be there next month. Our monthly net for August is at negative $68, almost negative $70, which is I'm happy with. That looks real good to me. It looks real promising. As you can see, our one-time expenses are $600. So our startup costs were $600. They won't be there next month. Next month we'll have about $100 of expenses. And if we continue on with our product sales the way we're going, we could expect to have another $600 of income next month, minus reoccurring expenses of $100. So next month, before taxes, could be a $500 month. We'll just have to wait and see how everything turns out. If you like the monetization tracker tool that we use, we're actually giving it away for free. Just head over to our website, bloggingmoneylife.com, click the resources tab, and you can download it from there. I'll link to the website in our description. So this was our first blogging metrics and income report. If you like this format, let me know by hitting the like button. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section and we'll be sure to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe. We put out a new video every Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.